Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss the American Renaissance. Introduction. The American Renaissance was a period of prolific literary activity that took place before the Civil War, roughly between 1850 and 1855. This era marked the emergence of a uniquely American voice in literature characterized by the influence of Romanticism and the Transcendentalist movement. Key figures in this period include Ralph Waldo Emerson, Henry David Thoreau, Walt Whitman, Nathaniel Hawthorne, and Herman Melville. These writers, while influenced by European Romanticism, developed a distinctively American approach to literature that reflected the nation's burgeoning identity and cultural independence. Ralph Waldo Emerson and the Transcendentalist movement. Ralph Waldo Emerson was a central figure in the Transcendentalist movement, which emphasized the importance of individual intuition and the inherent goodness of nature. Transcendentalism, as a philosophical and literary movement, encouraged self-reliance, spiritual growth, and a deep connection with the natural world. Emerson's essays such as Nature and Self-Reliance articulated the core principles of transcendentalism and inspired a generation of American writers to explore themes of individualism and the sublime in nature. Henry David Thoreau, Nature and Individualism. Henry David Thoreau, a close associate of Emerson, is best known for his work Walden, a reflection on simple living in natural surroundings. Thoreau's writings embody the transcendentalist belief in the individual capacity for self-improvement and spiritual enlightenment through communion with nature. His essay, Civil Disobedience, also highlights his commitment to personal integrity and resistance to unjust government policies, influencing later social and political movements. Walt Whitman, the voice of the people. Walt Whitman brought a bold and expansive voice to American literature with his groundbreaking work, Leaves of Grass. Whitman's poetry celebrated the democratic spirit of America, the beauty of the human body, and the interconnectedness of all life. His free verse style and candid exploration of sexuality and identity were revolutionary, challenging conventional poetic forms and societal norms. Whitman's work captured the dynamic and diverse nature of American life, positioning him as a quintessential American poet. Nathaniel Hawthorne, exploring the darker side of human nature. Nathaniel Hawthorne delved into the complexities of human nature and the moral struggles of individuals in his works. His novels such as The Scarlet Letter and The House of the Seven Gables explore themes of sin, guilt, and redemption within the context of Puritan New England. Hawthorne's rich symbolism and psychological depth reveal the darker aspects of the human experience, contrasting with the more optimistic outlook of his transcendentalist peers. Herman Melville, The Depths of the Human Soul. Herman Melville is best known for his epic novel Moby Dick, which delves into the existential and metaphysical questions of human existence. Melville's works often explore the limits of knowledge, the nature of good and evil, and the individual's struggle against the indifferent forces of the universe. His complex narratives and richly layered characters reflect a profound engagement with the human condition, setting him apart as a literary innovator of the American Renaissance. Conclusion. The legacy of the American Renaissance. The American Renaissance represents a pivotal movement in the development of American literature, marked by a flourishing of creative expression and intellectual exploration. The writers of this period influenced by Romanticism and Transcendentalism, forged a distinctly American literary identity that continues to resonate today. Through their diverse works, Emerson, Thoreau, Whitman, Hawthorne, and Melville captured the spirit of their time, addressing universal themes that transcend their historical context. The legacy of the American Renaissance endures, highlighting the enduring power of literature to reflect and shape the human experience. So this was the discussion on the American Renaissance. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.